Hey guys, we're here on the third string. This is in the book, page 11, if you have the smaller book. Remember, we are learning how to read off the staff so we can play melodies. On the third string, we have two pitches. The first one is the open G. That G is the very same as the line indicated by the treble clef staff as to where G is, the second line from the bottom. All right, and then in the second fret, with your second fret finger, playing A. Now, that means that we have almost been able to play, because we have been playing G, this one that is the space on top of the treble clef staff, from here to here. We can now get all the way through the musical alphabet. We usually do that with a device that we call a scale. It comes from the Italian word for ladder, and it's a way to get all the way through the pitches of a major scale. Now, our scale's not going to be major. It's going to be a little bit different because we don't know how to play F sharp yet. If you take a look, remember, you're going to want to keep your fingers nice and arched over the front, with your thumb resting on the back. Please do not do this. You don't have any control over the instrument, and you don't have any space. All right, so if we take a look at line 19, remember, you're going to count it and say it and play it. I'm going to say the note names. 2, ready, here it goes. G, A, G, G, A, G, G, A, G. So let's play that. 1, 2, ready, and go. G, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, they're whole notes. G, 2, half notes. A, 2, A, 4, G, G, A, G, 2, 3, 4, stop. If you take a look at line 20, you're going to notice that we're playing G and A again. If you need to stop, count it, and say it, I'm just going to play it with you right now. 1, 2, line 20. G, A, G, A, G, G, A, G, A, G, G, 2, 3, 4, stop. Make sure you read every word printed on any page of any book that's supposed to teach you something. And that's no exception for the bottom of the page, where we have what they are calling a 3-string review. I would call this a G sort of major scale. Now we can play from low G, this G that's on the second line from the bottom, all the way up to high G, this G that's notated on the top of the treble clef staff. If we play them going all the way up and play them with 4 beats in between each, it sounds like this. G, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, then open B, 2, 3, then C, 2, 3, third fret D, 2, 3, open E, 2, 3, first fret F, 2, 3, then G, 2, and stop. You can play this all the way up, ascending like we just did, and then you can play it descending. This is a really good warm-up to play through all of the notes in the major scale. Later on, you're going to see that there are some scales that work really well in the first position of guitar, which is what we are learning. When you go from G to G, the book has a special name for it, and it's based on the German word for 8. So hopefully you will have found that so that you know it. Good luck. If you have any problems, come and get me.